In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Sheets loading issue. If your spreadsheet is stuck on a blank screen, spinning forever, or showing a trying to connect message, the quickest and most reliable first fix is to simply reload the page. A reload forces your browser to ask Google Sheets for a fresh copy of the file and its supporting scripts, which often clears temporary hiccups caused by a slow connection, a brief service delay, or a browser glitch. There are two straightforward ways to do this. The fastest is with the keyboard. Press Ctrl and R together on your keyboard. Hold the Ctrl key, then tap the R key once and release. On most modern browsers, this tells the page to refresh immediately. You'll notice the tab icon begin to spin, and in Google Sheets, you may briefly see a loading bar or a working message as the sheet pulls in data again. If you prefer using the mouse, click the refresh button in your browser. You'll find it near the address bar at the top of the window, typically shaped like a circular arrow. One click will reload the current page. Give it a moment to finish. The icon will spin while the page is loading and stop when it's done. While the page reloads, keep an eye on a few visual cues. The tab title should update, the Google Sheets interface should reappear with your toolbar, and your cells should repopulate. Depending on your internet speed and the size of your spreadsheet, this can take a few seconds. Be patient and avoid clicking around too quickly while it's reloading. Letting the page complete its refresh gives you the best chance of a smooth recovery. If you were actively editing before the issue appeared, it's helpful to know that Google Sheets saves changes automatically in the cloud at frequent intervals. That means a simple reload should not cause you to lose recent work. Still, it's good practice to wait for the reload to finish and confirm you're seeing your latest content before continuing with heavy edits. Once the page has fully refreshed, try interacting with the sheet again. Scroll, type in a cell, or open a menu to confirm everything is responsive. In many cases, that's all it takes to bring Google Sheets back to normal. If the loading problem persists, it may point to something outside the page itself. But the basic refresh you just performed is the fastest, safest first step to rule out a temporary glitch. That's it. Quick, simple, and effective. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back to your spreadsheet without missing a beat.